Namaskar, this is Meenu Chaudhary for Channel NE24. On the 129th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Udarban Higher Secondary School paid tribute to him. Initially, the headmaster Brajeshwar Singh, the General Secretary of the Udarban Regional Committee of the Barak Valley Bengali Literature and Culture Conference Neha Kanti Roy, teacher Arun Singh, and the teachers of the school offered flowers and floral tributes to the portrait of Netaji. After that, they marched in a procession with a band to the bust of Netaji erected at Udarban bus stand and offered floral tributes. From there, they returned to the school. Later, the headmaster Brajeshwar Singh and Neha Kanti Roy gave brief speeches on the life of Netaji. Report from Udarban Higher Secondary School by Neha Kanti Roy. For more news and updates, follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and subscribe our channel NE24.
एटम बोमा जार दूर नेताजी आंदोलन स्तब्ध हो गल तो आजकल दिने नेताजी के আমরা স্মরণ করব বারবার যত বছরই আসুক নেতাজি থাকবেন এবং নেতাজি অমর থাকবেন।